Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be making potato chips and fish. As with many things, you could be flexible with the way you want to have or do things, but generally speaking, this is how to go about it. Alright, let's jump in. We're going to start now by boiling the potato, and this is just going to be for a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. It's not supposed to be fully done. So let's wash, peel, and then slice up and put on the fire for just about 5-10 minutes, like I said earlier. Don't forget to add salt. Right, so let's jump to the fish. You can use any kind of fish really, catfish, croaker, and so on and so forth. What I usually do with my fish is I try to separate the flesh from the bone, just so that I'm not struggling with bone. Once you're done with this, you want to get the seasoning in, add salt, some dry pepper, maybe black pepper. I have this Nigerian pepper soup spice that I use also. All you have to do is put it on and massage it in. Okay, now the potato should be half boiled. I don't want it fully boiled because I'm still going to fry it. So I'm going to drain it and set it aside for now. Alright, next, grab a bowl, put in some corn flour. We're going to make the paste right now. Add in 1 egg. You might add more if you want. I'm going to add a little bit of water now and whisk it all together. I'm going to add more stuff. I have this blended tomato, pepper, onion, and garlic and ginger. I'm going to add that in mainly for the taste. Yeah, I'm going to put that, scoop like 2 spoons, and I'm going to whisk it together. Also, you want to add salt to taste. You want to add some flaky pepper. Don't mind me, I just love seeing those seeds, so I'm going to add a little bit of that. And once all that is in, I'm going to whisk everything together, and that's the paste we're going to use to coat our potato before we fry them. This would be a lovely time to say please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon just so that you know every time a video hits, and of course like, share, subscribe. If you do try this at home, just make sure you drop in a comment. Let's all know how it's going. Now, once you have your paste, just make sure it's not too watery. Make sure it's, some thick paste. You want to get your potato, dip everything in the paste. You want to make sure it's all coated. Once you're done with all that, you want to get your oil on fire. You want to start frying. I think this part is left to your discretion. Immediately you're done with the chips, you want to get rid of the oil in your frying pan, and just slight oil should be remaining in there. I'm going to pan grill this fish, and just watch it. Drop in maybe a tablespoon or a teaspoon of oil just to get it slightly or lightly fried, and we're done.